Eco-design is a product designing approach with special consideration for the environmental impact of the product during its entire life cycle. Impacts to the environment, from the raw material extraction stage, manufacturing process, distribution, usage and disposal are analyzed. Appropriate changes can then be made to the design to reduce this impact. Eco-design is thus a means of minimizing these impacts throughout a product's life cycle for the same degree of efficiency and utility. What is biomimicry? It is an approach to mimic existing principles that are observed in nature into our everyday lives. It aims to develop innovative and sustainable solutions to solve the various human challenges faced in the world. Nature has been around for 3.8 billion years and it has played a huge part in influencing and inspiring many of the products that have been invented up to this date. The concept of biomimicry dates back all the way to the time when Leonardo da Vinci was looking at birds and learning to design flying machines. Antoni Gaudí, a famous Spanish architect, also took inspiration from nature to design his buildings, such as honeycomb windows to allow passage of natural light and the natural weight distribution pattern of trees and plants. However, due to technological and practical limitations, these factors can hold back the potential and scale to which biomimicry can be applied to improve lives. Through the study of living examples such as animals, plants and microbes, biomimicry is not only able to harness the power of nature to modify existing products or processes, it can also be used to improve the standard of living around the world and provide sustainable solutions for future generations. The products and processes derived from biomimicry are resemblance of successful patterns and strategies of living organisms in the planet that have been around for a very long time. Having withstood many different adversities, biomimicry products and processes have actually proven to be very effective. Learning from nature's life principles which have been around for thousands of generations, it shows how nature withstands the test of time and ensures its long-term sustainability in the future. The natural process will usually efficiently utilize the unlimited free energy sources available in the surroundings. Biomimicry naturally inculcates the values of environmental preservation and protection. Eco-friendly materials are primarily utilized to retain the environmental value of the project, while cleaner technological processes are generally used to minimize emissions of harmful substances, where little or no waste is produced. Some living organisms utilize free energy and convert it into another form of energy for survival's sake. Similarly, biomimicry uses the same analogy to create products or processes which utilizes this free energy and converts it into useful energy that can be used in our everyday lives. The shape of the bullet train was inspired by a kingfisher bird. The original design causes loud booming sound when exiting tunnels. By mimicking the beak of the bird, not only was the noise issue resolved, it also resulted in increased efficiency. Supertrees was designed based on natural principle of trees. These structures follow the ingenious shape of a tree with long branches that reach upward toward the sun. Water and heat dispersion system follows that of a tree, while photovoltaic cells mimic the photosynthesis process of leaves. As promising as biomimicry might seem, it primarily advocates change in how we humans live our lives. Although it brings along with it many positive impacts, it might disrupt how things are perceived traditionally, uprooting cultures as well as methodologies associated with these things.
Created using Powtoon.